language Facebook.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, there's no F words on the Facebook friendly show.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
She's going to lose her hamburger that she's been wanting all night. Yeah.
Are you good? I love you. Whoa! Oh, it's all like Donkey Kong now, girlfriend.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hell no.
I mean, it's waterproof, but hey, what